in front of Logano on the back straightaway. Brad starts a move against Chastain, and he gets turned. There they go, the big one in 3. Look at basically the entire pack is collected. Brad Keselowski gets turned, and Dylan Welch, there's at least a dozen, 15 cars crashing and colliding in 3.
Top of 3, record above you. Stay straight, we're going to have to stay straight as you can. Hold on, car's still coming in. Try to get going here if you can. I don't know if we have a ton of damage. We just got spanked. Are you okay in there? Can you get it running?
No, I'm stuck. I hit pretty damn hard a few times, but I got nothing. I get towed. I'm stuck. I don't know how bad to get a camera on the son of a bitch. I can't see it. Yeah, right rear tail lights bent or broke.
Front up here, just keep going best you can. I know you're still straight. Nothing front up top, nothing front up top. Clear 1 lane down, nothing front.
In mine, outside, here comes your help. Alright, hold the brake. And go straight here if you can, buddy, try to get it rolling here. You're about to go straight, and try to keep coming here, keep coming. Okay. 10-4, man. I don't think this thing will roll, but I'll try it. Yeah, 10-4.
Rolling out here. And 1 inside. You okay?
Yeah, I don't think I got killed. Down your toes, down. Keep coming. Oh, you did that.
Holy shit.
Back up, stay low. Get the top of 3. Top of 3. Check it up. Down. Lock it down. Bottom of 3. Stay low, stay very low, all the way down. All right. We're rolling, guys. We went up the bank and back down, probably got the front. Somebody wrecking here, check up. Keep checking up, stay up there, check up. Just check up here. Go middle, keep coming here. Just watch. Keep up through there. You got left front damage?
I shouldn't have really any damage, but I have a flat tire. I don't know which one. You want me to...
6 connected to the 1. All good. Get back on the bank. Toss it down. Check up hard. Just get a roll here.
Copy there, just watch the 12 coming down the hill. Good right there, what do you got?
It's pretty significant. Well, it's hit the 16 pretty hard, straight in the center of the bumper.